Hey, good morning. Happy Monday. This is July 8th. I hope you had a wonderful July 4th weekend. What's going on? Well, I'm actually recording this on Monday, and as I'm speaking, it looks like Hurricane Beryl is really giving Texas a run for its money right now. Other things that went on last week, unemployment went up to 4.1% from 3.9%. That still means most of you who want jobs can get jobs. And the other thing is, I saw this morning that Governor Fisker is being considered as one of 3 possible replacements for Joe Biden if Joe Biden decides to step out of the presidential election race coming up in November. Anyway, let's get to today's topic. So the past few weeks we've been focusing a little bit on group health insurance plans that are medically underwritten. Well, today let's talk about group health insurance that is not medically underwritten. These policies are typically called fully funded insurance policies. And in the marketplace that I work in, which is typically the 25 or fewer employees, fully funded insurance companies are typically your Blue Cross Blue Shield and your United Healthcare. People said to me, what about Aetna? Well, Aetna really doesn't work well down at this level. When I can quote them, they're completely out of line because it's not their marketplace. And then I get, what about Humana? Humana is an insurance company that's really stepping out of the group health insurance business. In fact, they've started to non-renew their group health insurance going back to November of last year. So, considering last week's video, I gave you a comparison of what medically underwritten versus the traditional insurance offered by the Blue Cross and the United Healthcare, the disparity of the premiums there. If your group cannot pass medical underwriting, then those policies could still be very attractive to you. They're a great alternative for small businesses opposed to going to the marketplace. You get much better insurance policies than you do through the marketplace, and you can do premium sharing. You can charge your employees something for the insurance, which helps your bottom line, and it helps the employees get better insurance at typically a lot lower rates, especially if they are better compensated employees. And there's another thing about those insurance companies. Their insurance policies are all guaranteed issue. And you can find that they offer many different plans. For example, Blue Cross Blue Shield offers 6 different policies to an employer underneath one group policy number. So your employees can pick and choose based upon what you allow them to find out what's in their best interest for their personal situation. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, employer, the part of the insurance premium that you pay is a business expense, which helps your bottom line in avoiding or limiting some of your tax liabilities to the federal government. And you know the federal government wants to tax you. I mean, every time you turn on, we're going to tax the corporations. And that's you and me, isn't it? So, my number's right here at the bottom of the screen. Give me a call. Let's see what's in your best interest, what plans can work for you. Even if you have these insurance companies, still give me a call because like I say, they offer a lot of different options that maybe we can help find the best one for you and your group. Hey, what's going on at the MLD agency? Well, last week, it was kind of an abbreviated week. It was 4th of July. But you guys kept calling for customer service, didn't you? Other things that were going on last week, because it was a limited week, we're doing a lot of upgrading of the office. One of the upgrades that we're doing here is trying to upgrade our computer system. Hopefully we'll get that all figured out by the end of the week. So the computer's been down last week and they've been limited this week right here. But even so, we were able to place a group, and we're working with another group on their group health insurance and a couple of you on your Medicare business. So anyway, until next week, hope you have a good week coming up. Take care.